Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. So this is the prelims mains snippets by Arpita Sharma classes. I am your educator Arpita Sharma and today we are going to study a very important current affair taken from the Hindu newspaper. This is a very wonderful announcement by our central government, and that is Netaji's birth anniversary is going to be celebrated as Parakram Divas now. This is one of the most beautiful announcements made by the government. Now this announcement is going to empower the youth and it is going to inculcate the nationalist feelings among the youth of India. We all know that Netaji's contribution in the freedom movement is incomparable. You cannot compare it, and it was so valuable that still till date we remember him and his contributions. So we are going to study about his contributions, we are going to study about Azad Hind and why government has taken this decision. The class notes will be uploaded on our Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. You can download the class notes from there. क्लास के नोट्स आपके Simplifying UPSC with Ease टेलीग्राम चैनल है, वहाँ अपलोड हो जाएंगे. लिंक दिया हुआ है नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, ठीक है. सो बिफोर वी मूव फॉरवर्ड, हियर इज अ स्मॉल अनाउंसमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप लोगों के लिए एक छोटी सी अनाउंसमेंट है दैट अनअकैडमी हैज लॉन्च्ड अनअकैडमी राइज 2.0 which is largest online daily test series on GS paper 1 for UPSC CSE prelims examination, which is going to be conducted daily at 8:30 AM in the morning and it is free of cost. बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट टेस्ट सीरीज है जो कि अनअकैडमी ने आप लोगों के लिए निकाली है. अब आप अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप का यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपनी प्रेपरेशन के लिए. नाउ हियर द कंप्लीट डील फॉर UPSC CSE aspirants is been launched. There are daily practice tests on GS paper 1 which will be conducted at 8:30 AM daily in the morning. It is curated by top Unacademy educator Ankit Avasti and the tests are going to cover Indian polity, science and tech, economy, geography, history, art and culture, environment and ecology. And if you give the test live then you will be getting your all India rank as well. अगर आप टेस्ट को लाइव देते हो आपको आपकी ऑल इंडिया रैंक भी मिलेगी. द टेस्ट विल बी अवेलेबल इन बोथ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. ओके, सो डू गिव दीज टेस्ट डेली एट 8:30 AM. आपको ये टेस्ट ज़रूर देना है बिकॉज इट इज़ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट यार, बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है. मॉक टेस्ट दोगे तो आप ही का फ़ायदा होगा ना, राइट? So over here there will be 30 minutes test, total 20 questions will be there. So one question is of 2 marks, so 40 marks, and language Hindi and English, negative marking of 0.66 marks. And how to enroll? Go to the Play Store and download the Unacademy Learning app, then register and sign in into the app or the website of Unacademy Plus. Go to the test section, click on See All button in the test section, enroll in the test Unacademy Rise 2.0 for free to take the test. Then they will ask you for a code to unlock the test for free. टेस्ट को फ्री में अनलॉक करने के लिए आपसे कोड मांगेंगे. सो फॉर दैट यू कैन यूज दिस कोड ARPITA10. दिस कोड इज गोइंग टू enable you to watch all the classes for free on Unacademy Plus. It will enable you to give all the tests for free on Unacademy Plus. Okay, so the link of Unacademy Rise 2.0 is given below in the description box. So now let's move forward. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So the news is, the current affairs is that the Union Culture Ministry has announced that Jan 23rd will be the birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose. We all know that, but now it will be celebrated as Parakram Divas, which is a day of courage, day of bravery, and it will be celebrated every day in the name of Parakram Divas. And 2021 will be 125th birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose. नेताजी की 125वीं जन्म सालगिरह होगी 2021 में और 23 जनवरी अब से पराक्रम दिवस के नाम पर सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा. So who was नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस? नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस announced establishment of provincial government of Azad Hind in occupied Singapore. एंड ही इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज अर्जी हुकूमत आज़ाद हिंद. ये जो आज़ाद हिंद इन्होंने गवर्नमेंट प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट सेटअप की थी, इसको और क्या कहा जाता था? अर्जी हुकूमत आज़ाद हिंद. And it was supported by the Axis powers of Imperial Japan, Nazi Germany, Italian Social Republic and their allies who were against the Britishers at that time. Okay. Now we all know that Subhash Chandra Bose, he was a very brave freedom fighter. He also launched a struggle to free India from the colonial rule of Britishers by establishing his provincial government. And he was twice elected as the president of Indian National Congress as well. तो 2 बार इनको INC के president के तौर पे elect किया गया था. He also organized the All India Forward Bloc, which is a part within the Congress in Bengal. तो कांग्रेस का ही एक part था ये All India Forward Bloc, जिसके ये आप बोल सकते हो इन्होंने रिजाइन किया था प्रेसिडेंटशिप से इन 1939. So when we talk about Azad Hind, what is Azad Hind? In 1940s, a major inspiration for carrying on a relentless struggle against Britain came from Subhash Bose's adventure abroad. When he went to Berlin, he set up Indian Legion in 1941. Now this is very important for your prelims. They can ask you who set up the Indian Legion in Berlin. It was Subhash Chandra Bose ji. But he faced many difficulties with the Germans because they were not supporting. Okay? It was going against Russia. So that is why he decided to go to Southeast Asia. He reached the Japanese controlled Singapore, and there he launched his famous motto, that is Delhi Chalo. He announced the formation of Azad Hind government as well, and he also established INA, which is known as Indian National Army. It was established in 1943. Now we all know that Subhash Chandra Bose and Rash Behari Bose all were together. They were living in Japan in exile. They were in Japan because they were exiled from India. But he had his own differences with Gandhiji. Again, going on with these differences, he did not forget to ask for the blessings of the father of the nation while starting his enterprise INA. Still, he took the blessings of Mahatma Gandhi because he was extremist in nature. ठीक है, गरम दल के थे, extremist थे, whereas Mahatma Gandhi ji was walking on the path of non-violence. ठीक है, so the mindset never met. When we talk about INA, it was essentially non-communal, with Muslims quite prominent among the high ranks, high positions. And it introduced the innovation of a women's detachment named after Rani of Jhansi. That means a women's group was also created in INA. You must have seen that series also. INA के ऊपर एक series भी launch हुआ था on the OTT platform Amazon Prime. Right, so in that series also, the story of INA, its origin, its working was shown. Between March and June 1944, INA was in action on the Indian soil between Imphal, that is Manipur, along with Japanese troops in the campaign, which ended in total failure because Japanese, they collapsed in 1945. That is why INA men, they were made prisoners again. But here Subhash Chandra Bose very mysteriously disappeared, but it is said that he was killed in an air crash. Now some people say that this death was faked. राइट, ऐसा माना जाता है कि कोई गुमनामी बाबा थे जो कि सुभाष चंद्र बोस ही थे, बट गुमनामी बाबा बनकर घूम रहे थे, अपनी आइडेंटिटी को छुपा रहे थे. It is said, these are the claims made by many people, that Subhash Chandra Bose did not actually die, but he was Gumnami Baba. He was disguised as Gumnami Baba and he was secretly carrying out his missions. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर हो रहा है यहाँ तक. So over here we should understand what was his contribution. Now his contribution was that he was a great military leader and he was a wonderful organizer as well. So he organized and he created INA, he organized the INA brigades, and also the Indian national flag was hoisted in Kohima in Nagaland in 1944. See, he is also one of the key elements why Nagaland also became a part of India, because he was spreading the Indian national freedom movement in all parts of the world. However, with the change of fortune in the war and the retreat and defeat of Japanese, INA collapsed. But role of INA had a very far-reaching influence on the Indian political scene as well. Many Indians in India, when they heard about Subhash Chandra Bose, his military conquest, his military endeavors and the formation of INA, they were motivated for the freedom struggle. They were motivated to increase their nationalistic emotions. So this was all about today's class, that is Netaji's birth anniversary, going to be celebrated as Parakram Divas. This class is very important for your preliminary examination. And also do not forget to subscribe to Unacademy Plus. This is a free test series that Unacademy Plus has launched. Enroll in this test series for free. Use code ARPITA10 to unlock the Plus experience free of cost on Unacademy's learning app. The link is given below in the description box. Thank you and have a beautiful day ahead.